So we are back. We are in Rainforest Tower, and oh no, I just fell. Something just happened right there. And oh, I was playing, and I accidentally stopped recording, and that happens most of the time. So let's do this obby together. I just don't see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to just skip this part and go to the main part. Bye guys. Guys, we're here. Look, I think I was here in this tower, in this part. Yeah. So I am quite scared for this part. And whew, thank God we made it. Make sure to not fall. Okay, accidentally didn't press my jump button. That was scary. That was scary though. Does ELAF work here? Let me just see. I'm going to do ELAF for you guys. No, I'm not going to laugh at you guys. I'm just curious. Oh. Or 15. Okay. That's okay. Rainforest Tower. I think Rainforest Tower didn't know that one spotted friend was here. I saw her videos and I love her videos. Okay. If you love her videos, tell me in the comments. Okay, this is a secret pattern. That and this is this. I don't have confidence. I knew it. I just knew it. I first look at then I first check. I don't have confidence. Sorry. No. Spotted Prince Tower. Oh my God. Spotted Prince Tower. They know I was in one Spotted Prince Tower. Oh my God, they actually mean that they know she was in the tower. We are going to do medium flash art. Ooh, I like this tower. I like the deep green they added with the light green and these leaves. Transparent leaves. Oh my God, sorry. Transparent leaves, I like them. Bro. Anyway, I'm going to skip this part. Bye. See you again. Guys, we are here. Do you want to see the big reveal of my full outfit? So, let's go in 3, 2, 1, okay? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Look, I like to wear these kind of outfits. I like it. I don't know why. I just like them. They're just unique style. That's what I'm gonna say. It's just unique. It's just goth. Not emo, not anything. Just goth. Okay, girls? Girlies? Do you hear it? I know many of you don't. Oh my God. And I know many of you don't know like goth or emo, but it's cool. I like it. and really if you like it. I know, I can understand that you don't like it. It's okay. If you don't like it, I don't have to judge that you don't like it. I like it, that's all that matters. Ooh. Okay. Something got in my eye. Okay, I'm good. Sorry for the falling though. I didn't mean to. And no. Okay. Oh, hopefully we didn't fall. But guys, by the way, guys, I'm seeing the funk, the Russian funk. I'm singing the actual Russian funk. I'm Indian, but I sing English, Russian, only the Russian funk, like clearly Russian. Okay, sorry for the falling, guys. Please wait. Okay, I'm getting impatient myself. Bro, are you serious right now? Why am I falling? I'm the worst at these hobbies, bro. But I don't think I'm the worst. I think I'm okay. I think I'm okay for these. Oh, sorry. So I feel sound okay. Nothing is cringe right there. I didn't say it on purpose. Yeah, I didn't say it on purpose. Wait. Guys, finally I made it. And I fell like, guys, finally I made it in the next. Obvious. Bro, this was so hard to do. And I have just a little bit left. I mean, a lot left. Bro, when will this end? No. Ugh, I'm not going to do this. Sorry, guys. But, bye. I hope I see you again. Have a great day. And I'll miss you, y'all. Bye. Oh, wait. Let me just leave the game. And if you want to follow me or friend me in my account, then this is... Oh, sorry. This is my account. And when you search Yumiko Loves 76, this will show up. You can friend me. You can do anything to me. I don't care. But if you try to ban me, haters, or do anything to me, no, please don't. Please don't. So, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this.